Three letters, one equal sign, and an idea that changed how we understand everything. E, MC2, the most famous equation in history. But what does it actually mean? Let's start simple. E is energy, M is mass, C is the speed of light, squared. What Einstein discovered is that mass and energy are two sides of the same coin. They're not separate, they're interchangeable. Even a tiny amount of mass contains an enormous amount of energy, because C2, the speed of light squared, is a huge number. This wasn't just a cool concept, it was revolutionary. Einstein first proposed it in 1905, the same year he published his theory of special relativity. Before that, no one imagined that matter could become energy, or energy could become matter. But this equation said it could. It meant that the sun shines because hydrogen atoms fuse together, lose mass, and release energy. It meant that every atom, every particle, holds the power of a star. And eventually, it meant the atom bomb. Because in 1945, the world watched that energy unleashed, not in theory, but in fire. When atoms split in nuclear fission, a sliver of mass disappears and transforms into an explosion of energy, just as Einstein predicted. But E, Docker MC2 isn't about destruction. It's about unity. It tells us that everything, matter, energy, light, is connected. It tells us that the universe isn't made of separate things, but of transformations. It's why particle accelerators work. It's why nuclear power exists. It's why we know stars can live and die. And it all came from a quiet idea scribbled on a notebook by a 26-year-old patent clerk in 1905. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." But E, MC2, that was both. A burst of imagination, and the knowledge that would power a century. Story brought to light by Kevin Brown. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein.